I see you. I see you. Oh, look at those boots. Come here. Look at those boots.
My boots.
Josiah has boots on. Hello, Eliza. Josiah. Hey. Hey, you. Oh, bonk. Eliza. Hello. Josiah has boots. He has some nice big boots on. There's his sister's boots. And he's been able to walk in them pretty good. Hello. Josiah, can you wave bye? Bye. Oh, hello. Josiah, can you wave bye? Hello. Hello. How are you? Bye. Hi. He's sweeping. He's a cleaner. Yeah. Thank you. All right. See you later, alligator.
See ya.